Welcome and welcome back to my channel, guys. I have another Temu haul for you. I hope everybody had an awesome time. I hope you're enjoying my my shorts. Some of them were very enjoyable to record. Let's see what we got. This is a box mold. I'm not going to take it out. I'll probably show it later with some of my other molds. So yeah, I have plans for that. Oh yeah, I love this thing. This takes the edges up. Oh, I hate it when they... This takes the edges off. When you have the cured resin. I got 10 more to go with it. That's awesome. You take it out of the mold and then you scrape it off the extras. Awesome. This is something I've been waiting on for a long time. You can do like a 34 or something like that. For 3 different colors at the same time. Nice and squishy. Measuring cups. This is something I needed. I got tons of measuring cups. I got a ton of these measuring cups. And another set. Finger covers, protectors. This is what I wanted so I could do big pours. This is not what they showed on Temu, but at least the numbers are on the outside. Oh, yeah. Oh. Let's see. Yeah, that can go in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pipettes come with it. Ooh, these feel nice and smooth. And stir sticks. Silicone stir sticks, which I really did need. Okay, that's it for now. Don't forget, I have our Crafts Kasuni box coming in another few days. So, if you like what I am showing you, please hit that like button and subscribe and share. And thanks for all your help so far. And thank you to all the new subscribers. I am very grateful for you and to you. Have a nice day. Namaste.